CakeFaceFam. Today's look is a Billy Butcherson Halloween look from Hocus Pocus. And I had a lot of fun making this, just sitting down and putting on layers of fun makeup. I used the Mehron water activating face paints as well as the Nikki Tutorials Beauty Bay, which I've been obsessed with. Danny surprised me with this palette, and I've been creating a ton of looks with this past week. It's been so fun. My friend Monica on Instagram also is doing some Halloween collaboration looks, and I wanted to jump in on the whole Hocus Pocus thing because I do love that movie. So I hope that you enjoy this very fun Halloween look, and let's turn on the lights. Okay, so I'm using some water activated face paint from Mehron and a flat brush. I'm just going to start bringing this along the edges. I actually want to make those sides dark for staging purposes, so I'm not putting like a thick layer of white over there. I'm grabbing my Makeup Forever Plasto Wax. Personally, I like to work with this a little at a time, just kind of warming it up. And smearing it on. You can always just use a glue stick. I don't know where I put my glue stick. I usually keep a glue stick with my makeup, but it's gone. Okay, that feels pretty good. Definitely want some white by the chin, mouth, nose. I'm going to line the eyes with black. And get the lid as well. Bringing the white right up to the under eye. It'll be a base layer for the black we'll add on top. Bring a bit more right on this temple. Gotta create that eye socket shape. Really need a lot of white right at the top of the cheekbone. How cute. Okay, my next step is going to be going into some black with a small Real Techniques brush and patting this onto the lid. Like so. Bringing it around the eye. Taking a little bit of orange and bringing that into the top here. Mixing it into the black and white. Bringing it over the brow in the front here. Okay, wipe off the brush a little. Start to bring out those dark circles. like so. No need to blend. A bit of green would be helpful too. Start bringing that underneath the nose, across here, and down. I'm going to take what's left and bring that along the edges. Okay, switching back to the brush with the white, I'm gonna accentuate that chin. He's got a dip to his chin. That I've got to sort of work to achieve by bringing some black mixed with green underneath. We start stamping on black dots underneath the cheekbones, taking some green, dragging that down. Okay, activating a little bit of yellow with some water on the brush that I use for white. And I'm gonna start to bring some yellow into the cheeks here with more white. Okay, with a small liner brush and some black with some brown, I'm going to draw a crease underneath the eye. I'm gonna bring a crease up through here, crease through here, crease down through here, across the forehead, down here and across. I'm going to make my nostril go down a bit, like this. Switching to a different brush, I'm going to pick up some white mixed with orange, a tiny bit of green, just to make like a dirty gray type of color, and accentuate that a bit all the way down. I'll pick up some more black actually. Okay, I'm going to start creating these lines that go across the cheekbone as if it's pulling inward with the softer color first, and then we'll go in with a little bit of black. Taking some soft taupey gray and carving out bits of pockets and divots. I want all of this section to be kind of dark. So I'm doing a base here. I'm gonna have one more brush for much lighter bits of white. So I've got a medium, deep, and light brush for these details. I'm gonna accentuate right around that dark area. Again here. Okay, with the dark brush. A little bit at the top of that divot, and a whole lot right here, right here. I'm going to go back to my middle ground depth color and brush, and I lined the inside of my mouth with some black really quick, and it's all over my teeth now. I'm just doing some lines and stuff, like really just bringing in texture, and I'm going to bring more white along this spot. I'm going to bring a little bit of blue underneath the eye. A little blue and red for some purple tint. Now for the lips, I'm going to do one black lace there. One right there. I'm going to go into the Nikki palette, which looks like this. Okay, I've got a spread of brushes here. This one is the Royal Langnickel Brow Definer BOM 49 flat tiny brush. This one is the Royal Langnickel BOM 601 Peaches and Cream PC 47 small blending brush, and then the Delium Tools 781 blending brush. I'm going to go into Redemption, the beautiful citrine in the upper right corner. Bring this along the upper brow area, the center here. Bring some along the brow bone, and a little bit of Mackay, is that how you say it? The red, right underneath the orangey yellow. Bring a little bit up in here as well. Okay, tiny bit in the center, a little bit of the citrine again. Some blue, switching over to a small detailer. I'm gonna line right underneath with this blue, the Amsterdam. Bringing that up and around a little bit. I'm gonna use some of this blue along the laces here. Okay, and then with a bit of VLA, the yellow, I'm going to clean up along the edges. Okay, a little bit of Redemption again. I'm going to pick a little bit of Ivy up with this brush. It's kind of a shimmery pearl. I'm gonna highlight the really bright areas. And with this peachy color, I'm going to go over everything. Oops, I got some red into it. Okay, my mistake. So I grabbed a smaller brush from Wet n Wild and I'm gonna try again. Okay, and then with the small Peaches and Cream, I'm going into Slasher. I'm going to really try and make certain areas recede a little bit more. Okay, so this is the final look with the whole powder over cream shadows, water activated shadows, how it looks. I had so much fun creating this with you guys, and I will catch you in my next one. Bye, CakeFaceFam.